So one of the best ways I use to make profits in the cryptocurrency sector is to use an indicator called the ATR indicator, also known as the average true range indicator. I love this indicator basically because it gives me an average of the pips of the last 14 candlesticks on that particular time frame, which helps me stay in line with the volatility of that asset pair. Okay, all cryptocurrencies cannot have the same volatility, so you have to use a stop loss or a take profit target that is in line with the volatility of the particular cryptocurrency you're trading. Now, to use the ATR indicator, you just go to the indicator section and then search for average true range by tapping on the search bar, and it's going to bring it out, and then you simply click on it and then it pastes it on your screen. Now, how do I use this ATR indicator? Let's say, for example, I want to place a long trade. I'm just going to click on my long position tool and then place it upon my entry candlestick. And then what I'm going to do is to then look at the ATR value of that particular entry candlestick, which is this right here. And the ATR right now is reading 0.0321. I'm not going to add the last number because the last number is actually not a pip. I'm going to add 0.032 to what I'm saying on the stop loss section, which is 0.016. So I'm adding 0.032 to 0.016. And that is giving me 0.048. I'm going to drag my stop loss till I see 0.048 on the stop loss bar, and we have it right there. So what I'm going to do now is to then pull my take profit target to where I must have backtested to on this asset trading pair, maybe for example a 2.1 or 2.08 risk to reward ratio. And there you have it. That's how to use the ATR indicator for both your stop loss and your take profit target. This is not the trading strategy. This is just how to use the ATR indicator to ensure that you're in line with the volatility of the trading pair and you have a higher probability of hitting your take profit target and not getting wigged out with your stop loss. So that's it. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you.